It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Sitting at the top of the three-pointed stars electric crossover family, the all-new Mercedes-Maybach EQS SUV debuted in the 680 setup. It loads a pair of electrical motors driving both axles, which generate a mixed 649 horsepower, 658 PS/484 kilowatts. The torque is rated at 950 Newton-meters, 701 pounds to foot. It may not be courteous to ask a woman her age as well as a deluxe automobile how quick it is, yet the supplier had no issue launching the numbers. 4.4 seconds from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, and also a top speed covered at 130 miles per hour, 210 kilometers per hour. In China, it is only 630 horsepower, 639 PS/470 kilowatts, to have fun with. On a full cost, Mercedes approximates the array at approximately 373 miles, 600 kilometers, as well as while they have not pointed out the battery size at all, it is possibly the exact same one gearing up the remainder of the EQS SUV variety. If that holds true, then you are checking out a 107.8 kilowatt-hours pack, which drinks electrons for 137 miles, 220 kilometers, in simply 15 minutes at a DC station. The driving settings selector now consists of the Maybach mode as opposed to the convenience setup, which makes use of sensing units placed under the rear seats to adjust the dampers accordingly. Simply put, you will want to be seated at the rear, with someone else doing the driving, to experience the maximum comfort of the car, which includes the Airmatic air suspension. Various other driving modes consist of Eco, Sporting Activity, Off-Road, as well as Individual. This being a Maybach, you know it sports some great functions, from the heated as well as cooled cup holders to the air equilibrium package that impacts perfume into the cockpit and a unique scent said to have been made specifically for this automobile. A Burmester 4D border sound system is on deck, full with the Dolby Atmos experience for additional clearness as well as depth. Scrolling with the photos will certainly expose some great lights mounted on the C columns. According to the company, these are developer lights. They were incorporated right into the ambient illumination system with 253 individually controllable LEDs, and also 64 individually picked colors, consisting of the rose gold, white and amethyst radiance certain to Maybach. Making use of coffee bean coverings as tanning agents, the Napa natural leather has a vegetable tan. You are considering the noticeable home heating, ventilation, and also massaging functions. For additional luxury, you will need to inspect the excellent seats bundle on the options listing, which brings a prolonged console and high gloss wood trim from the front to the back seats. The center console